Olette sen.
Olari kuulossa. Mä oon tekemään maantieteitä Espoo. Tässäkin Espoo's region. Uusi model. And the capacity is 4 purposes on 350 grams. Stay with your original. And this ticket speed says also 1972 on the bunker. So this was built in early 1973. Turning 50 years old in 2023. It's going to be inspected this year, 2021. The serial number is H30393 with 9 floors and the bottom side with memory. Amazing. I like this red interior.
Yeah.
And Olari is still quite amazing.
Yeah.
Though there are some bad ones, but this is also amazing.
Yeah. Yes, tippaakin wise, but maintained by Kone.
But you can always avoid those bad ones.
Yeah.
And it is amazing
Yeah.
when you don't even think about those bad ones.
Yeah.
And this could have also had 2 elevators if it was 10 floors.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's one bit on. That's it.
That's